Hey guys, welcome to my first video ever, and today I'm gonna play Clash Royale. Okay, I hope someone's gonna battle me. Oh, just fight some, or no one. Sorry man, sorry. Just say good luck. Put this thing here. I think he's gonna like, what? Okay, that's what I think that he will do. Put that, gotta put that. I can see GG. Opponent during the match. Good game. Thanks, by the way. And yeah, I got 0 trophies for winning that though. GG mate, GG. Let's say it's JJ mate. And by the way, if you're asking why my clan is Jakarta Avenger, because I'm from Indonesia. Okay, so I'm gonna open my chest thing. Wait, look at my connection. Oh my god, what's wrong with it? Oh, there we go. So I'm not playing from Arena 1, but actually I already played for a long time, like a few years, I think, maybe. Okay, let's just try to battle. And let's make this first video a short video first, okay? And yeah guys, if you like the video, just hit the like button, I think. Yeah, hit the like button. And if you don't like the video, just press the like button. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, give him a thumbs up. Say well played. Okay, just put his. It's gonna be out of elixir, I think. I hope he's not gonna put anything there. Okay, he got a fireball. Oh, that's annoying. Arrow, fireball. What else? Mini P.E.K.K.A. That's really annoying. Like, come on, just put like one. Just like one. Okay. Okay. Bad decision. Decision. Okay. Just put that minion horde down there. Just kill all of them. Okay, there we go. Put this. Let's put this. No. Wow. Well played, man. Gonna put some mini P.E.K.K.A. down. I think. Well, maybe not. Okay, we're gonna put some. He's gonna put some lava hound there. Put our giant here. Just like prepare for something new. Okay. Good game. Well played. Thanks for playing. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. Oh yeah. And open my chest. You know what? Screw it. Let's battle again and open our crown chest. Then, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, phew. Ooh, that was a close one. Yeah, let's open this crown chest. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. Say good luck there. Good luck, Matt. Supercell mates. See that pirate bill? I hope you lose, man. Okay, something is broken. Not just broken, I mean like broken. I'm singing a song though. Am I good at singing song? Sing song like. Look at it, man. Okay, it's doing pretty good. Like, okay, thanks. Okay, good luck. GG for you. Wait, what? You laughing? Well played. Let's open our crown chest. Really, man? Really, man? Now? Really? Okay. There we go. I hope this is coming. Like, no way. I hope I get some archers. No. Okay, that's okay. I don't use it though. Okay, so I think that's all for my first video. Thank you guys for, if you're enjoying this video, I'm like, hit the like button. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Bye.